Hello everyone, I am Showkat. I discussed in my last video about access control list configuration. Today I am going to show you another important task for CCNA exam regarding EIGRP. In your exam you will given a task where you have to identify the problem and make it operational. The question is maybe that after adding R3 router, this router, no routing updates are being exchanged between R3 and the new location. All other interconnectivity and internet access for existing location of the company are working properly. That means another link like R1 to R2 and R1 to R4 and R1 to ISP, those are working properly. The task is to identify the faults and correct the router configuration to provide full connectivity between the router. Here I include the IP address of each router interfaces R1, R2, R3, R4. It's directly connected network. As you see in the topology, EIGRP routing protocol is used for routing with each other. In EIGRP, same AS number routers will exchange their routing update with each other to build neighbor adjacency. After established adjacency, they can communicate with each other. So for this type of troubleshooting, you have to check that the AS number is same or not between the routers. Another is routing advertise his own network, which is properly advertised or not. Also, you have to find out there is any passive interface issue which block the routing updates exchange between the routers, or something like no auto summary issue is maybe sometimes your network address should be auto summarized, so you have to disable this by no auto summary command. Let's start with newly added routers R3 to check its routing entries. We access this R3 router by the user D terminals. Password may be Cisco. First, we need to issue show IP protocol command for display the routing information. Let's as the output shown here, the EIGRP AS number is 22. But as per topology plan, it will be EIGRP 212. So this is it is one of the big problem to establish neighbor adjacency with router R1. Maybe R1 have a different AS number. Let's check it. Access this R1 router by user G terminal. Same password maybe here. Yes, Cisco. Show IP protocols. See, in R1, its EIGRP mentions 212 as per topology. So we need to remove AS number from R3 and create again with actual AS number. Let's do it. Here is R3 conf T For remove previous EIGRP, we have to issue no router EIGRP AS number is previous AS number is 22. So remove AS number 22 and create again the proper AS number router EIGRP 212. After creating EIGRP, you have to declare again your directly connected network. So directly connected network for R3 is one is 192.168.77.34. Another interface IP is 192.168.16.65, and this is 60.81. So network 192.168.77.0. Another network is 192.168.60.0. Now you have to issue the no auto summary. For disable the auto summary option, no auto summary. And make the proper configuration by passive interface declaration to block unnecessary routing update to the LANs. So your passive interface for this router should be fast Ethernet 0x1 interface and fast Ethernet 1x0 interface. We done here for router R3. Let's check again by show IP protocols. See, EIGRP is 212 as per topology. Routing for networks is 192.168.77.0, 192.168.60.0 as their directly connected interface, and automatic network summarization is not in effect. So as per I declared that, it shows here. Another important is here is the passive interface status. Passive interface is fast Ethernet 0x1, fast Ethernet 1x0. Okay, now we have to check R1 routers that is configured properly or not. Okay, we show the show IP protocols. That EIGRP is 212. That means it's as per topology. Automatic network summarization is not in effect, so no auto summary is present here. Routing for networks. Let's see R1 networks, directly connected networks. By fast Ethernet 0x0, it's 192.168.77.33, but there is no advertisement for this network 77.0. Let's check another is okay or not, because it's okay as the question you asked This all other interconnectivity and internet access for the existing location of the company as working properly. That means another links with R1 is working properly, so it should be correct network advertise. Let's check though. 192.168.36.0, 192.168.60.0, 192.0.18.0, 36 networks, 16 networks, 18 network. So you find that the network which is directly connected with R3 is not mentioned here. So you have to advertise this network for neighbor adjacency. Configure terminal. For advertisement that network, we have to in the router EIGRP 212. Network 192.168.77.0. See, neighbor adjacency is up now. So now it will be work the routing update will be exchanged between the R1 and R3. Though we check the show IP route, that it has all EIGRP routing in his routing table. See, it has all routing information, also R3 routing information. Let's check with R3 routing information. Let's you see, and then there is also a neighbor adjacency build up status. Show group. See, you have the ISP interface address, also another 36 network advertisement in your routing information in your routing table. So let's ping with another for checking your that it is working properly or not. Ping one is it, maybe it's check with R2 any interface like 192.168.36.14. See, ping is successfully, so R3 is now communicate with R2. Also takes one of the address of R4. Ping 192.168. .124.129. See, ping is successfully. So the neighbor adjacency build up between the routers now. Before exit, you have to save your configuration. Copy, running, startup config. Same for R1 router. This is how you can solve your task in exam. For this time being, goodbye. See you in my next videos.